Looking forward to it, surely, yes. 89 years is something that you wouldn't think of, as we were talking about this morning. Nobody in Dunloy alive has a county medal, football medal, and 89 years is a long time for us, so hopefully today we can put that right.
I suppose in Antrim they might say, yeah, we're favourites, but there'd be a lot of people wouldn't be shocked if Dunloy happened to win this, because they're a damn good side. So, yeah, favourites, all that too, but we've lost before as favourites, but don't plan to do it today.
You talk about all your dreams coming true. That would be absolutely massive for our club if that was to happen today.
This wretched feeling, oh, I'm missing out on something
2 years ago, Cargin again beat us here, same stage. It was just about trying to get back here and getting another rattle at it, but we definitely believe in ourselves. We have a great football team here.
Agus an Keelan Malloy scéalú le hÉireann Kit dog and Kit score, then Ceannais Fatcha at Keelan Malloy.
As I always say, they would never be here if it wasn't for the bus driver. And believe you me, Dunloy turned up big time today. Everybody talks about the hurling, but we now have proved we can play football.
They catch it, because they cut his jaw, because Buaicphointí Fatcha, 2 seeds at the Dún Lathaí and Shaw.
2 scores of the game were first 2 2-pointers for my men, right? Then they got a score, get them back into it, but then we hit the net as well shortly after that.
Hey McFerrin, agus Fatcha, Johansson, hey McFerrin.
They're a quality team. You need a wee bit of luck on the day to win as well. If they score the penalty, it's a completely different game.
Half time, we got the goal just before it, probably not deserved, even though we'd missed the penalty. And getting on 2 points down, I thought, I got to be honest, I was confident that we could turn it.
We went in and everybody sort of a wee bit dead on their feet. We were like, no boys, 2 points up in the county final. Where else would you want to be? We were offered that at 10 o'clock this morning, we would have taken it. So that was the message, just dust yourselves down, go again.
The Kinseler fight, Nihe, Nigel Elliott, correct the Hickas Locker, Nigel Elliott.
We know when the chips are down that we just have to get the ball into Sean's hands and something's going to happen.
I think it gave us more of a kick maybe this Sunday that the hurt the last week. We didn't want to feel that again. That was definitely a big factor coming into today, and it shows it helped us coming down the straight again.
Obviously you just have to put it behind you and use it as motivation, and thankfully that's what we done today, and I think it showed there was no ball we weren't dying on today.
Horse Fetcher, Creed Hickas Locker, agus an Cluiche Ceannais Shaw, Antrim agus Dún Lathaí, agus sin tiltte go mai hacu.
We never thought we'd win a senior football championship. We're predominantly a hurling club, and that's absolutely superb for us today to go over the line in that championship.
It's been a long time coming. We'll definitely enjoy this one. That was sweet now.
We have a special group, special village, special community. It's just it's an absolute privilege to be part of Dunloy.
But I have to say I am delighted for the past footballers in our club that never won championships, that give everything to the Dunloy club over the past 80 years. We didn't do it, but we've done it today,